Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making some Amish, why can't I say that? Amish sugar cookies. I got this from Facebook, from the website iambaker.net, and the link will be down in the description below. So if you want to see how these cookies turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I got going with my flour, baking soda, and cream of tartar and mixed that together. And then I got my butter, olive oil, and then I tried to cream my butter together, and then I realized that my butter wasn't creaming like it could have been, but then I added my oil, tried to mix those two together, but then I realized a whisk wasn't cutting it, so I switched to my spatula. And then once I realized it wasn't going to work, I added in my first sugar and then tried to get that to kind of dissolve together. And then I added in the powdered sugar to try to help even more. And then I went back to my whisk to try to get the little clumps of butter. That's why they used a KitchenAid when they made this recipe on the website. And then I got my egg, my vanilla extract, combined that, and then I added in the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in separate increments. So there's the first one, and then I added my second batch, and then my third batch, which once it started to combine, it definitely felt like a sugar cookie batter. And then I made my balls, 2 tablespoons, and then while it baked, I froze the rest of my dough by wrapping it in clear wrap and then twisting it like a log, labeling it, and then popped it in a freezer bag for later use. Alrighty, so these cookies are done. They've been out of the oven for about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a taste and let you know if they're love at first bite. I feel like this cookie is so much more about the texture than it is about anything else. Yes, it tastes like a sugar cookie, but it's so soft and delicate, but it's so rich. I kind of wish I wouldn't have made these so big because one of these is plenty. I would probably rate these 9.5 out of 10. You know when you eat like the sugar cookies like around Christmas time? I was kind of expecting that, but soft, and it's got more of like the buttery creamy side of the sugar cookie rather than like the sweetness of the sugar cookie, but they're still plenty sweet, plenty delicious. I really think that these would be fabulous topped with some like chocolate sauce. These are really good. I love them. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there's anything else that you want tested, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.